Yeah, you're in fucking night mode. You know you're being recorded right now, right?
Yeah.
You're making yourself look like a jackass. Here, you come hold it then. Make sure your hand isn't on the little camera thing there. You put this outside out. It's sideways! Alright. Hold this. Oh, you're good. And that is why we're badass.
Hell yeah.
Dude, my fucking hands right now.
I know.
Here, hold on. Come here. I'm gonna be a pole dancer.
Pole dance?
Damn right. Right there.
You got your lighter, right?
Yeah.
I might do it. Alright, here it goes.
I'm gonna be a pole dancer. Alright, go. And alright, here.
And the ninja roll.
Yeah, here. I got this.
Gonna need to empty out all of my possessions. Don't need to slam on the knife. Or my phone. Or my house keys.
Or my house keys.
My wallet.
Or my wallet. You gonna go pole dancer on this shit, dude? Oh yeah! You fell! Second attempt! This has gotta go on YouTube.
It is.
Oh my god! Yeah, I love pole dancing in the middle of the night.
About to go midnight pole dance.
Midnight pole dancing.
Well, actually, that's too bad. Because we're stripper with.
We're stripper with it.
Hey, you want to see a show?
Yes, really? Alright, there you go.
Thanks, my good buddy.
No!
Lots of ninjas.
Hey.
So you got some shit.
Now I'm all itchy. I got it too. Dumbass. No, you want to see a true ninja? Alright, I don't even need the internet. I can see it. Go ninja on their ass, bro. God, that's my secret. Beautiful subdivision of Pineview Acres. Damn, dude. The 4 minutes. Go ninja shithead.
Oh, I hit my tail.
Just so you know, I just kicked his ass. Literally. We've been recording for damn near 5 minutes now.
With that ass.
Indeed we are. I recommend we go somewhere else before we get caught for this fine thing.
Yes.
Now we go to this area. Oh yeah, we're
take a little stroll up the street.
Sorry you guys can't see. We don't want you to know where we're going. Not
secret.
Exactly. Not really. It's just there's no light here. So. Again, sorry.
Party in the street with a shirt off. Okay.
Sure. I think you can't see, dude. If I would have shut up, you'd be seeing half my box. Because my belt is a little too big. However, my belt's purple. My belt's kick ass.
Dude, take it.
They can't see, dumbass. It's still too dark. You gotta run up there into the light. Let's go. Hold on. I'll tell you when we can see. Alright. They couldn't hear.
Dude, take it.
Alright. See, unlike him, I actually have abs.
You gotta take it.
Yeah, it's my gun show, dumbass.
This is more like the illegal to own bracket.
Dude, I would have watched like the driveway burst into flames.
Like those in a trash can. Catches in fire.
We've been recording for 6.5 minutes.
Good time.
I know. Again, sorry, we just don't want you to know where we're going. Again, top secret. Ow! I wish there was some like open, like available for sale houses around here we could just go into. Oh, is that guy's garage open?
Yeah.
We should run it.
They just run at that nothing happened.
Yeah, just go to the street and start walking again. I'm down.
I think I know the people.
I think so, right? I do too, or else the garage wouldn't be open. They kept like in the door. It's not closing. It's like closing. Yes. That house right there, that little light. That's where we're going.
Call me the exit.
They actually just call him Lunchbox.
AKA Tons of Fun.
AKA Julie, there's pizza stew.
Yeah, damn it.
You can probably hear them. He heard his back. Go back. Look at gangster walk.
Gangster.
Look at my wrist, dude.
Looks like Thriller.
Sorry, I know you guys haven't seen me for a while. Yeah, they saw you halfway up the hill, dumbass. Oh, here. This is me standing on a fucking rock. That's the pointy rock that I am not going to jump to, because I do not want to fall and wreck myself. You've probably been in your fucking like on crack or some shit. Dude, I guarantee the people that watch this are going to think we're high.
Name it Two Kittens. So
Dude, we've been up for almost 10 minutes, dude.
Name it Two Kittens so we can get hella views.
I'll do that.
Name it Shark Attack.
Dude, 2 kittens get attacked by sharks.
People watch that. Want to say, bro?
Yeah.
One fine smoke coming around.
Damn fucking right. I'm a shit man right here.
Oh god, those people are leaving.
Oh god. Drop. See them before they see. Do they see us? Sorry, guys.
They're probably like, I don't want to go that way.
This is me hiding from a fucking car.
They're gonna drive by and be like, roll 'em up.